Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to create a Facebook page using your smartphone in easy steps. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're on the app, tap on the three-line menu in the upper right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Pages. If you don't see the page icon, just tap on See More and it will open more options, including the page icon. Then, tap on Create located in the upper left corner. Now, select Get Started to begin creating your page. Here, type the name for your page and proceed to the next step. In the next step, choose the page category that best describes your page. After selecting a category, you'll need to describe your page goals and how it will be used. Once you've entered the information, tap on Next. Now, you can add a profile picture and cover photo for your page. You can either upload images from your device or choose from Facebook's options. You can also fill out the page description and explore many more options you want to add. And that's it! You successfully created a Facebook page using your smartphone. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.